So the Google Pixel 6 has finally arrived and I'm super excited to unbox this phone. Now essentially the 6A is a cheaper alternative. It only costs $450 as opposed to spending $600 plus a little tax on the Google Pixel 6. Now if you're interested to see what's inside the box, so am I. So let's take a peek. Okay, a couple stickers on this, and here we go. And dang, all right, the Pixel 6a looks fresh, but we'll come back to it in a second. All right, so we've got the usual stuff inside here, the USB-C to USB-C cable, SIM injection tool, quick start guide, and of course the USB OTG adapter. Now, as for any extras, you're not going to get anything with this mid-range handset from Google. There's no pre-applied screen protector. There's no case in the box. It's really just the bare minimum. I will say I do miss the days when you would get some nice earbuds in the box, but oh well. Okay, and as far as the design on this, the Pixel 6a, it looks extremely fresh. I decided to go with the chalk color on it, and I got to say I'm happy with my decision. Now, the phone does come in 3 different colors. I just thought, the stock images of chalk looked good, and, it does. And of course, to save some time here, guys, I wanted to skip through the startup screen. And the first thing I always like to do when I start up a new phone is check out some of the stock wallpapers. So yeah, let's take a look at them. And for the most part, we got some good stuff in here, I'm sure. Okay, other than the wallpapers, some of the specs on this phone, it supports a 6.1-inch HDR OLED display, 12 megapixel back camera, a 4400 mAh built-in battery, and of course the Google Tensor chip. All this for $450. Honestly, it's a pretty good deal. The next thing I wanted to do was see the phone in action, running some video and then doing a little gaming on it. Of course, if you guys want to check out our full written review on this device as we're testing it out, we will also have some links in the description. For now, let's see this phone do its thing.
Come on! First platoon! We've lost the square! We can't hold it!
Okay, so bottom line, my first impressions of the Google Pixel 6a is that it is an awesome phone for only $450. Obviously, if you want to learn more about it, like I said, we'll have some resource links in the description. Thanks for watching this, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.